Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership. It engulfs 7 sessions every Sunday, starting the 27th of August 2023, at 10 a.m. IST for 3 hours.
Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership, L1. The Art of Making Decisions webinar is scheduled session is on the 27th of August 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Design thinking is a creative problem-solving approach that emphasizes empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing to develop innovative solutions. Traits of leadership encompass qualities such as vision, integrity, communication, and adaptability, inspiring and guiding teams towards shared goals. The art of making decisions involves critical thinking, considering diverse perspectives, and embracing risk. Combining design thinking and leadership traits fosters an environment that encourages collaborative, informed, and impactful decision-making processes.
Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership, L2. The Art of Job Crafting. The webinar is scheduled on the 3rd of September 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Job crafting is the process of employees shaping their roles to align better with their skills, passions, and values. Design thinking, a creative problem-solving method, can be applied to job crafting by encouraging employees to explore new possibilities and innovative ways to reshape their responsibilities. Traits of leadership play a crucial role in supporting this art of job crafting, as leaders who foster a culture of empowerment, open communication, and flexibility enable employees to proactively transform their jobs, increasing job satisfaction and productivity.
Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership, L3. The Art of Self-Motivation. The webinar was scheduled on the 10th of September 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Design thinking is a problem-solving approach that emphasizes empathy, creativity, and iterative prototyping to devise innovative solutions. Traits of leadership encompass qualities like vision, empathy, decisiveness, and effective communication to inspire and guide others towards common goals. The art of self-motivation involves setting clear objectives, cultivating resilience, and maintaining a positive mindset to overcome challenges and achieve personal success. Together, these concepts empower individuals and teams to embrace creativity, empathy, and determination in their pursuit of meaningful outcomes.
Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership, L4. The Art of Influencing. The webinar scheduled on the 17th of September 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Design thinking is a human-centered problem-solving approach that encourages empathy, creativity, and iterative processes to create innovative solutions. Traits of leadership include vision, communication, adaptability, and the ability to inspire and empower others. The art of influencing involves understanding stakeholders, building trust, and effectively communicating ideas to gain support and drive positive change. Combining design thinking and leadership traits can lead to influential leadership that fosters collaborative problem-solving and transformative outcomes.
Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership, L5. The Art of Performance Appraisal. Webinar session is on the 24th of September 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Design thinking is a problem-solving approach that emphasizes understanding users' needs, ideating creative solutions, prototyping, and continuous iteration. Traits of leadership in performance appraisal include effective communication, empathy, fairness, and the ability to provide constructive feedback. By integrating design thinking principles into the appraisal process, leaders can foster a culture of innovation, improve employee engagement, and create a more inclusive and collaborative work environment, ultimately enhancing overall performance and productivity.
Webinar Innovative Soft Skills and Traits of Leadership, L6, The Art of Office Politics. Webinar scheduled on the 1st of October 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Design thinking is a human-centered problem-solving approach that fosters creativity, empathy, and collaboration. Traits of leadership encompass vision, communication, resilience, and the ability to inspire and motivate others. The art of office politics involves navigating organizational dynamics with tact, diplomacy, and strategic thinking. These concepts are vital for individuals seeking to innovate, lead, and succeed in today's complex work environments.
Webinar Design Thinking and Traits of Leadership L7, The Art of Implementation. Webinar scheduled on the 8th of October 2023 at 10 a.m. IST. Design thinking is a creative problem-solving method that emphasizes user needs, ideation, prototyping, and testing. Traits of leadership include vision, communication, adaptability, and team empowerment. The art of implementation entails translating ideas into practical actions, setting clear goals, fostering a culture of execution, and overcoming obstacles effectively. Combining design thinking and leadership traits enables the successful implementation of innovative solutions, fostering growth and productivity in various fields and organizations.
Meet the Innovaners, an experienced group of researchers, authors, and mentors. With 22 years of experience, they've developed a well-known creative thinking framework, which has resulted in patents and industry publications. They are the authors of the Amazon best-selling book, Think Like an Innovaner, and they have mastered the art of invention. They constantly produce excellent achievements in personal and commercial operations by utilizing other prestigious frameworks.
Thanks. Request you to subscribe our channel for latest updates.